Boys, today we will learn more important problems in quadratic equations. Let us now practice the exercise 3b problem. First we write the problem. Determine the range. Determine the range of the following expression. Following expression x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. And these type of problems are very important and in 4 marks problems. Solution. Let y is equal to x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Cross multiplication. Y into x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x square plus x plus 1 multiplied with y. X square y minus xy plus 1 plus y minus x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square y x square is the common factor, y minus 1 and plus x is common factor, minus y minus 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of quadratic equation in the form of x is a variable. Here x belongs to R. X belongs to R means x is a real number. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, less greater than equal to 0. Here a is equal to y minus 1 and b is equal to minus y minus 1 and c is equal to y minus 1. So substitute these values in this equation. So minus of y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So minus a square, so plus y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 1. So y minus 1 whole square. Expand this. Y square minus 2y plus 1 greater than equal to 0. Next, simplify this in equation. Y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4y square minus into minus plus 8y minus 4 greater than equal to 0. So simplify these like terms. Y square minus 4y square minus 3y square plus 10y square plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 greater than equal to 0. Here implies 3y square minus 10y and minus is a common factor plus 3 greater than equal to 0. We take 3y square minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the factors. 3 into 3, 9. Factors of 9. 1 into 9 or 3 into 3. Here 1 into 9 is suitable for this equation. 3y square minus 10y plus y minus 10 minus 9 minus 9 minus 1 sum of this minus 10, product of this plus 3 is equal to 0. 3y is common factor, y minus 3 minus 1 is a common factor, y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y minus 3 into 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies 3y minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 or 3y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 3. Y values is 3 or 1 by 3. Hence, range of minus 3y square plus 10y minus 3 greater than equal to 0 implies 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 by 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. Therefore, range of y is equal to 1 by 3 comma 3. This is the solution of this problem. So let us practice this type of problems. Another most important problem in this exercise. If the expression x minus p by x square minus 3x plus 2 takes all real values for x belongs to R. Then find the bounds for P. So here bounds means limits, upper bounds and lower bounds. Solution: let y is equal to x minus p by x square minus 3x plus 2 cross multiplication y into x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to x minus p y x square y minus 3xy plus 2y minus x minus p is equal to 0. X square y plus x is the common factor of these two terms, so minus 3 minus 1 minus y minus 3y minus 1 plus 2y minus p is equal to 0. Here x is a real number, means x belongs to R, so b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. Here a is equal to y, b is equal to minus 3y minus 1, c is equal to 2y minus p. Substitute the values of a, b, c in this equation. Minus of 3y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y into 2y minus p greater than equal to 0. So minus whole square plus 3y plus 1 whole square, expand with compare with a plus b whole square. 9y square plus 6y plus 1 minus 4y into 2y minus 8y square minus into minus plus 4y into p 4py greater than equal to 0. So simplify this. 9y square minus 8y square y square plus y is a common factor 6 minus 4p plus 1 greater than equal to 0. This equation is called quadratic equation in y variable. So here y belongs to R, means b square minus 4ac. Determine is equal to greater than equal to less than equal to 0. So here b is equal to a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 6 minus 4p, c is equal to 1. Substitute these values in this equation. 6 minus 4p whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 less than or equal to 0. So expand this. A minus b whole square 36 minus 2ab called 48p plus 16p square minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So 16p square minus 48p 36 minus 4 plus 32 less than or equal to 0. Here 16 is the common factor, p square minus 3 into 16 is 48. So 3p, 2 16s are 32 plus 2 less than or equal to 0. So p square minus 3p plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Now we take p square minus 3p plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we find the factors. 2 factors of 2, 1 into 2 minus 1 minus 2, sum of this minus 3 and product of this plus 2. So p square minus 2p minus p plus 2 is equal to 0. P is a common factor, p minus 2 minus 1 is the common factor, p minus 2 is equal to 0. So p minus 1 into p minus 2 is equal to 0. P is equal to 1 or p is equal to 2. P is equal to 1 and p is equal to 2. p square minus 48p plus 32 less than or equal to 0 implies 1 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 2. But denominator of given expression x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2. So the value of p substitute in this equation, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So there is no solution. Therefore p is equal to 1 and 2 are not. P is equal to 1 and 2, p is not defined for x minus p by x square minus 3x plus 2. Hence, p is equal to 1 less than p less than 2. This is the solution for this problem. Next, another small problem. Another small problem, 2 marks problem. If sum of whose roots are 1 and sum of squares are 13, then find a quadratic equation. So let us now read the problem again. If sum of whose roots are 1 and sum of squares of roots are 13, then find a quadratic equation. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇవ్వబడినటువంటి వర్గ సమీకరణం యొక్క మూలాల మొత్తం, సమ్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ మీన్స్ మూలాల సమ్, ఎస్ఎం సమ్ మీన్స్ మొత్తం, మూలాల మొత్తం 1, మూలాల వర్గాల మొత్తం 13 అయితే ఆ వర్గ సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నారు. సొల్యూషన్. Let alpha beta are the roots of quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is the required quadratic equation. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 1, sum of the roots, and alpha square plus beta square is equal to 13. We find alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to half of alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha square plus beta square. So expand and simplify this. Is alpha into beta. So is equal to half into here alpha plus beta 1 whole square minus alpha square plus beta square 13 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 13 minus 12 is equal to minus 6. Therefore, required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta 1 into x plus alpha into beta minus 6 is equal to 0. So x square minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation.